In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can bulk create content in Canva in just a few simple steps. First, let's pick a template to work with. Make sure that your template has text that you can edit. Since the text in this button is grouped, I'm going to ignore it for this exercise. In your sidebar, navigate to Bulk Create button. If you don't have this, you can also find it in the Apps section of your sidebar. Alternatively, you can search through apps for your Bulk Create app. There's many ways to enter data, manually, with CSV, or through another app. For now, we'll keep it simple and we'll do it manually. Let's clear this and paste in the text that we want to use instead. Remember, the first row is for the name of the data. Now we can start linking the data to our design. Find your text in the design. Right-click and choose Connect Data. This will bring up a list of all your columns for the data table. Luckily, we just have one. Once you've connected all of your data, hit Continue to review your captions before creating your bulk content. When you're satisfied, hit Continue and you'll see all of your content. Now you can keep making changes to make your design more exciting. Have fun and change your other designs to match your captions.